Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and if your office chair isn't rolling well, you may want to consider replacing the casters. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at how to remove and replace the casters on your office chair. So let's get started. Awesome, so let's get started and replacing the casters. We're going to be doing this on a Steelcase Think chair, but the process should be the same on almost any other chair. So we're going to be flipping the chair onto its back so that you have access to the casters. We're going to remove each caster one at a time. So I like to just rotate this as I go. We're going to just pull outwards on these casters. If you do find one that's sticky, you can use a crowbar in here to kind of shimmy it out, and we'll show you a close-up of that, but these should come right out for you by hand. Next, we're going to be opening up our casters, and so that we'll put these old casters to the side and put the brand new casters on. Again, we're going to be taking these and we're just going to be pushing in firmly. I find that it's easiest to put a firm pressure from downward, so you get a straight line pressure going in. And again, these are just pressure fit, should go right in. All right, and that's all there is to it. Flip up your chair, make sure it rolls nice and silky smooth. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it helpful, go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons below. Also make sure to check out our website, crandalloffice.com. We've got tons of different casters available for the different office chairs. We've got a link in the description for that so you can purchase your casters. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us on our website, crandalloffice.com, on our Facebook page, anywhere. We're always available to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.
Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and if your office chair is definitely... Okay.